Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue learn HTML together, and today we're going to talk about semantic tags in HTML5. In this video we'll cover what semantic tags are, why they are important, and how they help make your HTML code more structured and accessibility. First we talk about different semantic tags. Are HTML tags that clearly describe the purpose and content of the element. They make your code more readable and mention. Let's create some text. For example, instead of using a div tag for everything, we can use tags like header, main, section, now, and other. Let's talk why semantic tags is so important. First, self-benefits. Semantic tags help search engines understand the content of your pages better, which can improve your SEO optimization. And also accessibility. They also improve accessibility for people using screen readers. Semantic tags provide better context and meaning to the content. And also it's very important because your code will become more clearly and more easily to understand. Okay, let's look at the most popular semantic tags in HTML. First tag is header. Tag is used to define the header section of a document or section. It usually contains introduced content or navigation. Next tag is navbar. We often use this tag inside header. This tag is used for the navigation links. It helps search engines and screen readers understand that these links are for navigation. The next tag is article. I use this tag very rarely, but it's also very important tag because we can using this tag when we create blog site or other specific task. Okay, in the next tag is section. It's very popular tag. It helps use to group related content together. It's like a container for different parts of website. Okay, next tag is aside. Let's create this tag. This tag used for content that is related to the main content but not essential. I often use this tag to create sidebar and other elements. Okay, and the end tag is main. We can use this tag to create structure our page. Usually I using header, main and footer to create structure. Okay, and in the end we speak about footer. Let's create this tag. It usually contains information like link and author and copy information or another information about our site. Okay, let's create a simple web pages using these semantic tags. First we using header, and here we can using h1, but usually we create logo here. We can write logo, and next we create now. We very often using this tag inside header because usually our main menu in header our page. And create link. You can using all and leave, but in this time I'll using only link tag. Create some href attribute. It doesn't matter. And add some text. Also we can create about and contact. Next we create main. Here will be content our pages. We can create section inside and create some article. Correct this mistake. And write in something like article title and add some text. Write in this article text. Okay, and in the end we'll use footer. Create our footer and create the let's create copy. add here and add some text. We can write my website. Okay, we won't create styles because this is HTML lesson, and if you want to create web pages with using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, I created new course. In this course we created small landing page, and if you want you can go to my channel and see this course free. Okay, today we talked about Semantic and HTML. If you like this video, please subscribe on the channel and see you in the next video.